You have been driving for many years. Now tell me, what is the work of a tachometer? What is the work of this tachometer on your dashboard? A lot of drivers have been driving for many years, but yet they never know the differences between a tachometer, a speedometer, and odometer. Let's talk about the three of them. This is a speedometer. Everybody knows the work of a speedometer. It is the most popular one among them. We all know that a speedometer is an instrument on your dashboard that registers how fast your vehicle is going. But what about an odometer? An odometer is an instrument on your dashboard that registers the total distance that your vehicle has covered for a period of time. Another word for odometer is your mileage. So let's assume you are traveling from Birmingham to Leeds. When you get to Leeds, your odometer will tell you that from Birmingham to Leeds, this is the particular distance that you have covered. So it will tell you the number of distance that you have covered from Birmingham to Leeds. So what is the point? Your odometer or your mileage tells you the total distance that your vehicle has covered for a period of time. And apart from that, your odometer also registers the total distance that your vehicle has covered in its lifetime, starting from the time it was leaving the factory until that particular time you are using it. Your odometer will tell you that starting from the time that this vehicle is made until today, this is the particular distance it has covered. So when you want to buy a car, you need to check your mileage or you check your odometer. Now, a tachometer is an instrument on your dashboard that registers the revolution per minute of your vehicle. What do we mean by revolution per minute? When you want to drive in a day, you get into your car, you start the car, you begin to raise the engine. While you raise the engine, you are warming the car, right? So now, while you are raising the engine, you don't say you raise the engine, you say you rev the engine. So as you are revving the engine, the hand of the tachometer will be moving up. It will indicate how high you are raising the engine or you are revving the engine. If you rev the engine very high, that hand will go up. And if you are revving the engine very low, that hand will stay down. So your tachometer will tell you the revolution per minute of your vehicle. It will tell you how high you are revving the engine or how low you are revving the engine. On a normal day, when you are driving on a highway or you are driving on a motorway, the hand of your tachometer should be between 1 and 1.5 because all the numbers on the tachometer represent 1,000. They are all multiplied by 1,000. So that means 1 is 1,000, 2 is 2,000, 3 is 3,000. If you look in the middle of the tachometer, you will see that the road times 1,000. So all the numbers are represented by 1,000. So when you are driving on a highway or when you are driving on a motorway, your odometer should be between 1 and 1.5. If you go above that, it means you are overspeeding. The only time that you can just go above that is maybe when you want to overtake and you need to speed up, then you can go a little bit above that. But apart from that situation, you don't need to go above 1 or 1.5 on your tachometer. If you go above 1.5, you are overspeeding. So in summary, what is the difference between a speedometer, a tachometer, and odometer? A speedometer is an instrument on your dashboard that registers how fast your vehicle is going. A tachometer is an instrument on your dashboard that registers the revolution per minute of your vehicle. An odometer or mileage on your dashboard is an instrument that tells you the total distance that your vehicle has covered. If you are preparing for your theory test, you can DM me, you can mail me, and book a personal class with me and pass your theory test once and for all. And I know you want to say thank you. You are welcome.